What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great morning. It is actually a vacation day for me, but I actually gotta stop by my working place real quick to do a couple of things. But I got my morning workout done. I was gonna do a clip or two from the gym, but that didn't pan out. I just want to show you guys Mr. Romeo. Look at that. Hi, Mr. Romeo. Interview, Mr. Romeo. Hi, Mr. Romeo. Say hi to everybody. Yeah? So, Mr. Romeo's favorite cereal. What's your favorite cereal, Mr. Romeo? Huh?
This is my favorite.
Oh yeah, it's your favorite.
Look at all this pig.
So Mr. Romeo is watching. I don't know, what is that you're watching? Is that Minecraft?
Yes, Minecraft pig.
Oh yeah? Alright. So this is like a normal routine for Mr. Romeo. If he's not eating cereal, he loves, what is the other thing you like to eat too, Mr. Romeo?
This one is that pig. Look at this pig.
Yeah, I know you like to watch Minecraft, but what do you like to eat? What's your favorite? Tell everybody what's your favorite thing to eat.
My cereal.
Cereal, and what else you like to eat? Tell them.
Already like that.
At Grandma's house, what do you like to eat at Grandma's house?
Sausage and rice like that.
Yeah, sausages and rice. Yeah, is that your favorite too?
Yes.
Yeah.
I watched the pig, Dad. This is a pig, Dad. Look.
Oh yeah?
A pig, Dad. I watched that.
Oh wow, let's see what he's watching over here, guys. Look at that. Is that Dan TV or something like that? Dan TDM or something?
That pig.
Huh?
Eat that pig.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright guys, so yeah. Hope you guys like that. Oh, there's a mosquito in here, I think. Oh no, it's not a mosquito. Oh, I was about to freak out again, guys. But hope you guys liked that last video of us going to that Christmas party. It was actually a Christmas party. I don't know if I mentioned it in the video, but it was a Christmas party for one of the bars over here, and you know what? It was one of the best ones I've ever seen. Oh, be it being my first burlesque theme type of party, you know. So because I asked my cousin, I said, "What? You know, how do you dress? How do I dress? I don't know how to dress." Oh, okay, and he said cocktail. I was like, I was more confused when he said cocktail. So I don't know. I was just thinking, okay, you gotta dress a little bit more formal than usual. So I had to look for a jacket, a V-neck shirt. You know what else I had to put on my glasses to look all burlesque. I don't know, I guess. But my cousin, I don't know if you guys seen my cousin Jonathan. I had a clip of him. I should have put more. I should have took more of him, because he was the best dressed, guys. I mean, he was. Oh my God, that was one of the best times I've ever seen him dressed up like that. I mean, that was the best outfits I've ever seen him wear. But what really topped it off, and I don't know if it was pretty hard to see in the video, was that his mustache, and he had it curled up. He had it curled up like, it reminded me of that, what is that movie? Like Gangs of New York kind of thing, you know? What is it now? You know, one of those Gangs of New York movies. You know, the guys with the Abraham Lincoln looking hat, and they had that twirly mustache, and it was pretty good. It was pretty good. I mean, he was dressed on point, guys, on point. But yeah, I just wanted to say hi. Like I said, I just finished going to the gym. I'm gonna heat up some of this pork chop that Jess made the other day, right over here. So this looks really, really good. I'm gonna try and do this with one hand, guys. Right here. So we got some protein. Sorry if I'm out of frame or focus. I can't see it and flip the screen. But we got some protein on deck here. Sheesh. Oh, sorry about that. And some carbs. Okay. Keep in mind that this is breakfast. I don't usually eat breakfast, but when I do, it's usually on my day off. Okay, a couple more, and you know what? I might fry an egg too. I don't know why I feel like frying an egg right now to top it off. Okay, right here, some green vegetables. One more for the boys. Right here. So this is pork chops. Who out there loves pork chops? I mean, I do. But you know what? The pork chops nowadays, the ones that you buy from the store, that is, it's not like before. You know, I used to love when my mom used to fry pork chops, and my favorite piece was the fatty piece, guys. You know, you have the pork chop, and then add a whole bunch of fat, and then you get the thin layer of skin. But that fat piece, that was my favorite part of a pork chop. You know what I mean? So that was back in the days. Used to love that fatty piece. And you know what, guys? I want to fry an egg. This frying pan has not been washed, guys. But you know what? Who cares? Who cares? I'm gonna fry it up again. I think Jess used this yesterday. Right over there. Okay. Jess used it. You know what? I'm gonna slap on some light here, guys. So it's a little cooking corner with Robert once again, assisted by Mr. Romeo. Hi, Mr. Romeo. Oh, you want more? Okay, guys. Mr. Romeo wants more. So you know what? I'm gonna bust out the stand, and I do apologize for the shaky video. But there you go. I'm gonna fill it up for him. He loves his cereal. Say hi to the crew over there. Say hi. Tell them. Subscribe. Say louder. Say louder right there to the camera. Say please subscribe. Please subscribe. Huh? Oh yeah? All right. Well, I'm gonna crack an egg in this frying pan, guys. It's a dirty frying pan, but you know what? Once you heat it up, most of the germs are gone, guys. That's how it is. That's how we roll. Okay. Pork chop is getting heated up over there, guys. How to do this, Romeo? How to do this? Yeah. All right. Okay, guys. I'm gonna. What? You want milk? Okay, hold on. I have to get milk from Mr. Romeo. So, Mr. Romeo, talk to the crew while I get some milk for you. Milk over there. But yeah, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day here in Kauai. It is a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Say beautiful, Romeo. Say beautiful. Uh-oh. Look at stuff, Romeo. So it is a beautiful day today. I am about to crack an egg for you guys, for your viewing pleasure. In this dirty frying pan. You know what, guys? I will take the risk. You know, I will take the risk. Look at that, shell and all, guys. Ah! Owie! Owie, shell and all. Okay. There you go, guys. We got that egg on deck. Rhonda, you want egg? No? I got my sister here. She actually stayed. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but she's with me for the duration of my parents' vacation on the mainland. And that's roughly about a week. And I must say, she is a trooper. She is a trooper. I don't know if you guys already seen my sister. She works over at Foodland, right, Rhonda? And she's actually going for a record, guys. She's actually trying to go for a record, trying to get into the Guinness World Record book, right, Rhonda? Yeah, she's trying to get into a Guinness. I don't. I think I'm saying it, pronouncing it incorrectly. Guinness World Record, books of world records. I don't know. You guys know what I mean. But yeah, she's trying to get in there, and what she's trying to get in there for is to be the person who can, the person who lays on a sofa for the longest duration of their life. And you know what? She's on a roll, right, Rhonda? Yeah, she is on a roll. She's been on my couch for 6 days straight, guys. Check it out. 6 days straight. Yeah, check that out. I think you may break that record. I don't know who has that record out there for laying on a sofa for the longest duration of time, but you know what, whoever you are, you better watch out, because my sister's about to break that record. She's on 6 days straight, no rest, trying to get in that Guinness World Record books. Right there, look at that. Seriously, she is on a mission. I've never seen someone so focused in breaking a record and being so focused on a goal. You know what? I can't even do that. I can't lay on the couch for more than 2 hours maybe, max. But my sister, she's a special type of person. She can lay on that couch until cows fly, guys. You know what? Until cows fly. That's all I can say, guys. All right, so back to my egg, guys. Sorry about that. All right, here we go. There we go. How's the egg? Oh, I put it on low, really low. Okay, so there we go. All right. Okay, I better put this back. Oh, what was that? Okay, I got the little lemon here. I don't know what that is. Okay, that looks like a sandwich someone didn't finish. As always, there's so many unfinished stuff here. Okay, let's check out the heat up action right there. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay, right there. We got natural light here for you guys, so you can see what I'm working with. Okay, so we got that. Put this thing, and so I'm gonna say thank you to my beautiful wife for making delicious food. What is going on with this thing? This thing keeps on flying out. Trying to hurt me or something, or it's giving me an idea. Give me an idea. Vodka with this again. You know what? I might have to take a hiatus again. Like I said, but it's pretty hard when my good friend Kevin is down from Vegas, guys, to take a hiatus from drinking alcohol, that is. But here, back to the egg, guys. Back to the egg. Okay. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, we got that grease from the other day still there, so I think that's good. All right. Okay. Okay, don't be afraid of dirty dishes or anything like that. Don't be putting Germex every single. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. This, I don't know. What is going on? You know, I'm gonna put you right over here, and if you fall down once again, I'm gonna put you in a vodka drink and drink you all up. You hear me? Goodness. And I got the vodka on deck, guys. Sheesh. You know what? And I'm trying to take a hiatus. I'm trying to take a hiatus, guys. Okay, where does this egg go, guys? Okay, right there. I'll put it right over there for now. Okay. All right. I tell you, if that lime jumps out at me once again, I'm going to drink it up. I'm going to teach that lime a lesson. Okay, so, alright, sorry about that, guys. Got that right here. So I'm going to show you guys my breakfast. And it should be good. Here you guys go. Put that here. Alright. So yeah, we're gonna leave in about an hour and a half, about 11:30. Go down to my working place. All right, guys. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Woo, guys! Check that out. And that, look at that frying pan. That frying pan is ready to fry up another greasy meal. But again, you know, you need some grease. You need some fat. Do not neglect fat in your diet. Okay, it's a needed thing in your body, guys. Okay, you need fat. You need all those other things. But yeah, here you go, guys. Really simple meal. Okay, so once again, we got some potatoes here for some carbs to get me through the day. We got broccoli action here. Okay, get the greens. Okay, and what else we got here? I thought I had some onions lingering around here, but no, I didn't. And then I got one of the best foods in the world, guys. The egg. The egg. It is a powerhouse of a food, guys. You gotta eat egg. It has everything that you need. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm gonna chow down on this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make this a longer video, but we're gonna pick up my parents today. Okay, they're done with their vacation. I might include that, or I might just edit this right away and push it out, and make picking up my parents another video. I don't know. All you gotta do is stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, guys. What else? Hit the thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. Leave a comment. All that good stuff. All that good stuff I do appreciate. I love interacting with you guys. You know, just say hi. Hey, say hi, say anything. Troll me, say whatever's, you know. I don't know what to say. But, alright guys, I'm gonna eat my food before it gets cold. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Woo! Say bye, Mr. Romeo.
Bye.
Say bye.